We have crypto.com, symbol CRO versus the dollar. Actually, I think we should pull up the same chart that we had from yesterday, which would be where... Hold on, I believe it's actually right here on this Bittrex exchange. There we go, there she is. And this one actually does look like it's, no, it does not look like it's ready to break out just yet. I would be looking at this one as a bit of a local high. Again, long term, I really like this chart. One of the better charts that we've seen in the past few weeks here, but kind of similar to the last chart that we just saw. While it is very good long term, I would be looking for a bit of a consolidation sideways and down from here. 4 hour is, it's kind of already selling off of that 41 cent region. So I'd feel comfortable saying that as long as you're closing 4 hour deltas, especially below, let's call it 42 cents and give it a little bit of breathing room. I'd be looking for a bit of a sideways and down move here, perhaps short term down to about 30, 35, 36 cent. That's completely fine. Again, very constructive on the long term. I am bullish on this, looking for new all-time highs and beyond, probably over the next couple weeks here, as long as this thing does remain above 32.25 cents. So that would be my invalidation for something like this. Below there, I do look for a much deeper retracement down to 27 cents and maybe beyond after that, but I don't necessarily think that that's what's going on right here. This one, still looking very good long term, and I'm not getting too many concerning signals here for the long term. I am just getting concerning short term signals with daily BBWP getting all the way up to 100 percentile. So it's more likely to trade a bit more sideways here, in my opinion. Contract that, very likely set another higher low, which would be good, and then try for some new highs, of which if it can break above its current 42 cent high, especially on a daily, I would be looking for another run somewhere right around 46 cent. Maybe a short-term pullback right there. However, I do not think that things would stop there long-term if you get that initial breakout. Long-term, I'd be looking somewhere around 64 to 75 cents, actually. Now, that is long-term, so we're talking, months down the road. But for right now, let's just see if this is consistent with my short-term look that this one probably corrects a bit more first. Yeah, 4 hour Stokes down as long as it's below about 42.30. Buy hourly is going to be down as long as below 39.80, and hourly is flippy floppy, going to turn up above 37.80. Daily is hard down below 47.5 cents. So yeah, I'd still be looking for a bit of sideways right here, and then very likely try some more upside maybe over the next couple weeks after it trades after it fills out this range a little bit here. Again, long term, very good. However, very good right there. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for CRO.